morning. It's Bill, and it is morning. And this morning I got up and said, what do I have? Like, I have some ideas of what I want to make, but let's do that. Check the freezer, refrigerator for leftover stuff. So, I made a couple things with Tater Tots, and unfortunately I bought a bag like this, and I had some hidden in the back of the freezer. So I was like, okay, let's throw these into the mix. So I'm going to make a very similar recipe to what I did with French fries, but I just want to try it with Tater Tots. Okay, you know, I hate leaving stuff in the freezer too long. So with that being said, I know they just finished. So what do I got? I got some Tater Tots, got some corned beef, and I got some Swiss cheese. So the first thing I'm going to do, ow, 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 ow. Just make a little bed, right? And this is my famous corned beef that is really good. And all I'm going to do is, I slice this, and I just want some kind of chunks. I'm just going to throw right on there. It's funny, I realized I still had like 2 big corned beef that I had done up that were in the freezer. So I decided we're going to make it like St. Patty's Day in our house, and I'm going to make a lot of corned beef sandwiches, and thus I had to make a big huge pile of Thousand Island dressing. Got right here, because my Thousand Island dressing just like is the bomb, okay? Don't be shy. This looks like a lot, but I always find I have to share. Everyone has to be a taste tester or something like that. They come out of the woodwork. And I don't want to leave these slices whole. This is just basic deli Swiss. And I'm just going to cut them like in strips and then cut them in half. Okay, just lay them on here, just to get them a little melty, melty, melty. Let's just cut a little more, because I love cheese. Cheese. Now that's going to look really spectacular. I don't want that just to stick in the bowl. Watch this. In the microwave, you can throw it in the oven if you want. Just make sure it's an oven proof, but I'm in a hurry. This is just a snack for me. I'm not trying to impress anybody. Everything was hot, so it should just be really quick to get that cheese. And I did let the cheese sit out for a minute, so it wouldn't be like ice cold baby or whatever. Ice baby. Alright. Everything's melting. Looking pretty darn good. Come on, hurry up. I'm hungry. Swiss cheese is so unlike American, like it actually like takes some juice to get it melted. American cheese like ooh, yes. So that being said, look how he's, I mean, isn't that pretty? Pretty by itself, right? But now, I got that massive 1,000-ounce dressing, and you could use, put some sauerkraut in here if you were so inclined. I just was making a little snack for myself, so I wasn't going to bother. And I did look in the fridge, and there was no open sauerkraut. And this 1,000-ounce dressing is just like the bomb, okay? I'm just telling you straight up. If you don't do anything else, try making this. Oh, it's nice and chunky. It's not like fake jarred stuff. This is the real deal, man. This recipe took me quite a bit to get it perfected, but I did perfect it. Now you tell me, doesn't that look absolutely just fabulous? Like, you gotta eat it. Anyways, this is just a quick snack because I'm hungry. I've been making some other videos this morning. And so, I still appreciate you. I think it's great that you all subscribe, watch, comment. Can't say enough about that. But I gotta get to eating this. So I'm gonna see you back with another great video. Have a great day.